In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Microsoft account efficiently and securely. This process is straightforward, but it's important to pay close attention to each step to ensure everything goes smoothly. Let's dive in. First, open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other that you are comfortable with. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar at the top of your screen and type in the web address https://account.microsoft.com. This will take you to the Microsoft account homepage where you can manage various aspects of your account. Next, it's time to sign in using your Microsoft Teams account credentials. You'll need your email address and password handy. Navigate to the sign-in page, enter your information, and proceed. Ensure that you're using the correct credentials, as entering incorrect information may delay the process or cause unnecessary frustration. After successfully signing in, the next step is to locate the Your Info section. Once you find it, click on Manage Your Account. This area allows you to control different settings related to your Microsoft account, providing a variety of options for customization and management. Scroll through this comprehensive list until you arrive at the section labeled Close Your Account. This is the gateway to officially beginning the account closure process. It's crucial to take note that by closing your account, you will lose access to all related services and data associated with this account. Make sure you're ready to proceed before moving forward. Now, you'll be prompted to verify your identity, a standard security measure to ensure the safety of your account. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This might involve entering a security code sent to your email or phone number linked with your account. Verifying your identity helps protect against unauthorized closures, maintaining security across all Microsoft accounts. Once your identity is verified, you will have to confirm that you indeed wish to proceed with closing your account. This involves reading through the warnings provided. These warnings cover essential information about what it means to close your account, including the data and services you will lose access to. It's wise to read through these terms carefully to understand the full impact of closing your account. To proceed, you'll need to check the acknowledgement boxes. By doing this, you confirm that you've read and understood the warnings and agree to the account closure terms. The final step is clicking on Mark Account for Closure. By doing so, you've initiated the official process of closing your account. Keep in mind that Microsoft usually allows for a grace period during which you can reactivate your account if you change your mind. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to close your Microsoft account. Remember, if you need to retract this decision, you can do so during the grace period. Thank you for following along, and if this tutorial was helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more handy instructions.